My name is Emmeline White. I'm the president of SGA, and for hands-on, we were really hoping to get out in the community, do as much as we can. We were able to get 12 different job sites, finish them all in like 2.5 hours, so it's absolutely incredible that we had so many students, probably about 60 that came out through SGA to help with hands-on. It's just really, really incredible. Happy that we could have so many great voices and great hearts to help with our community.
Community service is important because it's a chance for our students to show their love and concern for others outside of our classroom. And it's just a way for Fluvanna County High School to reach out into our community. For today's activity, our classes are working on making letters for nursing homes. And they're really excited. They're using cards and they're embellishing it with different quotes and drawings. And it's just a chance for them to share some love and joy with those who may be alone or needing some uplifting.
My favorite thing about Hands on Fluvanna is being able to serve the community and spreading positivity to everyone around me.
One of my favorite things about Hands on Fluvanna is really just the variety of things we do in each class. Here we're working on dog toys, and really I just like getting the chance to do these arts and crafts projects throughout the school day, and it's just really relaxing and a good change of pace before spring break.
It's making paper flowers to bring to hospitals or cemeteries. I like giving back to the community, and this is just like a good to take a part in doing that.
Today we're at Green Dogs Unleashed and we're mulching and putting mulch around some trees.
Yes, they have a giant event coming up, so we're making the place look nice.
So that we don't have to the trees that are blooming on the left, and those also.
Community service is important because it lets individuals within our school go out into our community and help people who need it.
You put it. Today we're going from Little Creek Road to Open Door Road, picking up trash that people throw out and fly off the trucks and stuff like that. It's a way to give back to the community and show that people actually care about what goes on in the community.
This is actually really fun. I like it because we're all out here together and picking up trash, but it's like bonding almost. I think it's cool.
I think it's really important to give back to your community. I think we live on this earth, we throw all this trash here, we do all this stuff. It's important to take care of our earth. It's the only we have. It's important to give back.
The most challenging thing is finding enough supplies for everybody to be able to contribute to. Yeah. Finding things that are still usable. Working around obstacles.
I'd love to have the high school kids here more because I mean this farm to be for their use, for your use. I want it to be an accessible farm that's available for the ag students. And that is my contribution to the community. And Mr. Russell and I have been working on that for probably a couple of years now.
Couldn't be happier. We got over 50 guys working hard for Fluvanna County and putting in good work and working hard and working together.
One, it's an honor to do this, community is a big part of something that we're trying to preach here. And so getting our guys in it, right, getting their faces known, getting them out here to learn a little bit about their community, just giving back, right? We want people to put into us, put into our team, and so.
We're doing a lot of different things. Right now we are cutting out book covers to put on the walls to show the new books in the library to the kids.
Yeah, and then they're sorting
book
flyers?
Yeah, book fair flyers.
And sign-up forms.
We're creating putt-putt horses, as y'all can see here. We're doing an easy one, a medium, hard, and hardest, which is gonna be back there. And yeah.
It was really fun because we were able to use our own creativity to come up with the different things, and they provided so many supplies for us, and it was just a lot of fun.
We're setting up a miniature golf course for the children. They'll be able to play for the next week and just come have fun at the local library.
I think community service is important because I think it's important to give back to the place that like you grew up in. Specifically, I believe like Fluvanna has shaped the person who I am today, and I feel like it's my responsibility and my like duty to help out my community.
Community service is important to me because I just love to be able to give back to my community. Because when I was a child, I used to come to this library and set up and do the fun activities that they set up. So it's kind of a full circle moment now that I get to set up for the young children that'll come and play.
I'm pleased with the volunteers because I think it's just great how we're all coming around and serving our community when like the community is given so much to us, and like people are filling in spots that need help and just working together, and it's really beautiful to see.
Community service is important to me because it involves helping the community and helping those who might not be able to as much. And it's really great for the community. So today we are helping her cut some of this grass, and we are raking acorns, as well as when we get to it, we're gonna, if you see over there, we're gonna pull those up as well. I love that I was able to help her get whatever she couldn't get, and that I'm helping the community and doing a service. A challenge I face? Maybe the awkward positions I have to go to get it.
We are at Scottsville Independent Baptist Church, and we are cleaning the church and making the outside look nicer to help the church community.
I'm pleased with the kids that have come today because they've humbled themselves to take the time from their day to use for a better purpose. Not every place in our community have the ability to, get out here and do things, to improve things and to beautify everything.
Community service helps those who may not be able to do it themselves or struggle doing it by themselves, and you can lift a weight off their shoulders.
What's exciting to me is being able to help other people and helping the elderly not have to do things around the church that may be hard for them.
Community service is important to me because it helps build the community that I grew up in.
Because it's just always good to give back to your community and help people that might be elderly and might not be able to do some things themselves that might just need a little help. At today's job site, we just came to help an elderly woman lay a bunch of mulch over, I think it's black mulch. She wanted brown mulch, so we're just kind of moving the black mulch out of the way and then putting brown mulch on top of it and just making it so her plants can come up properly. Today I was challenged by, personally, I just thought that the work would be really easy and it would take us like 30 minutes to just finish up and get out of here. But honestly, this work was a lot harder than I thought it would be. But I came out and had fun working out, got a good workout in, and just working with my group mates. Honestly, I guess just giving back to the community, helping out somebody that can't just do this type of work themselves.
Community service is important to me because, it gives me a chance to help out the community, do good in the world, give back to the people that help me. At the job site, we were mulching. We were helping an elderly woman change from black mulch to brown mulch. Today, I was challenged by the amount of work we had to do. It was a lot of work. I did not expect this much work, but, we're getting it done. We're doing a good job. I love just working with my group, getting to talk to different people and just have a great time.
I think they've gotten a lot done. Started out a little chilly, but I've been very, very happy with the results.
Community service is important to me because I just love giving back to my community. I think it's really important because we live here and these are places that we're going to be using. So I think it's important that we just give back. Today we are mulching. We're at Carriesbrook at their Fine Arts Center and we're laying mulch down for their playground. Today I love just just like being with everybody. There's a lot of like people that I don't normally get a chance to talk to, so it's been really fun to like have time with them and just get to know everybody. Today I was challenged just by like I needed to be flexible. There was a lot of people that like we didn't hear from, or like there were some problems that arise, so it challenged me to be flexible.
Community service is important to me because I feel like if you're not helping the people around you, you're not helping your community and the people who are living around you, you're living in your own bubble. Right now at this job site we're spreading mulch on the playgrounds. At the previous two I spread gravel and more mulch, just covering stuff up, making it look better. I think just hanging out with friends and being able to help communities and where I grew up before I leave. So.